Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your budgeting apps with PocketGuard detailed guide step by step. To get started with PocketGuard, first, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open PocketGuard and create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Next, authenticate your account by following the email verification instructions sent to your inbox. After verifying your email, log back into the app using your new credentials. The next step is to link your bank accounts for automatic tracking. Click on the Accounts tab and select Add Account. Choose your bank or financial institution from the list and follow the prompts to securely link your account. Once your accounts are linked, PocketGuard will automatically import your transactions. Now, take a moment to categorize your expenses for better tracking. Go to the Transactions tab to view all your imported transactions. Tap on each transaction to assign categories like groceries, utilities, or entertainment. Setting up your budget is essential for effective management. Navigate to the Budgets section within the app. Create a budget by adding categories and setting monthly limits for each. As you spend, PocketGuard will update your budget in real time. This section will show you how much disposable income you have after your bills and goals. Setting financial goals can help you save more effectively. Go to the Goals section and create specific savings goals. Enter the amount you wish to save and the target date. Regularly review your spending and budget to stay on track. Adjust your categories and budgets as needed based on your spending habits. Utilize the insights provided by PocketGuard to identify trends in your spending. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section within the app for guidance. Lastly, make it a habit to check PocketGuard frequently to remain informed about your finances. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your budgeting with PocketGuard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.